Please, no, go ahead.
Senator Schumer came out with a statement today saying that too much of the evidence points to the Trump administration pressuring the FDA to approve a vaccine by Election Day to boost his re-election prospects. Can you assure the American people that if a vaccine does come out before Election Day, is approved before Election Day, that it is safe and effective? And can you address his assertions that you are pressuring the FDA to come up with a vaccine before Election Day?
No one is pressuring the FDA to do anything. This is, again, a bizarre theory spun up by CNN, among others. Let me note that the FDA, you had Dr. Hahn who said this: I can assure you 100% that the president has never pressured me to make a decision regarding any regulatory aspect of the FDA's work. He said that just a few months ago. It is absolutely the case. You had Secretary Azar saying this morning about the vaccine, whether it's October 15th or November 1st or November 15th, this is all about saving lives. You've had Dr. Fauci say, we in fact briefed the president today. This was a few weeks ago about this in the Oval Office. I was there for that briefing. And Dr. Fauci said there is no political pressure that I have seen at all to move quickly. This president wants to break through regulatory barriers to get a vaccine as safely to the American people as quickly as possible because lives are at stake, but he will not in any way sacrifice safety and making sure that this is 100% airtight before the American people receive it. So the priority here is saving lives, safety, and there will be a safe and effective vaccine in the works. And again, I think the CNN spinning up this conspiracy theory, it all was based upon the CDC career.
Brought this up.
Yes, and CNN was peddling a theory on this as well. Basically, you had career officials at the CDC who made a decision, who spoke with states about distributing vaccines. We're preparing in advance to have a safe and effective vaccine distributed because unlike the Obama administration during swine flu, they had real problems in that regard. The Obama administration promised 100 million doses by October. They then reduced that number to 40 million for the swine flu by mid-October when demand for a vaccine was at its highest. Supply fell dramatically short with as few as 11 million doses on hand. You even had their CDC director saying, we are nowhere near where we thought we'd be by now. We are not near where vaccine manufacturers predicted we would be. We share the frustration of the people who have waited online or called a number or checked a website and haven't been able to find a place to get vaccinated. Unlike the Obama-Biden administration, we make plans in advance. It's why we have contracts for 100 million of vaccine production in advance, and it's why CDC career officials have worked with all 50 states to make sure that we can distribute this vaccine. We do our homework in advance, unlike Obama-Biden.
Kayleigh, just one other one.